Our kidneys are vital organs that perform numerous essential functions, from filtering waste from our blood to maintaining the balance of minerals in our bodies. However, they can be adversely affected by factors like chronic diseases, unhealthy lifestyle habits, and poor dietary choices. Thankfully, by adopting a kidney-friendly diet, we can help manage and even prevent kidney disease. This video will dive into 20 remarkable foods that have been scientifically proven to support kidney health. Each of these foods brings unique nutritional benefits to the table, which can aid in promoting kidney health or preventing further damage. Now, let's dive deep and explore each of these foods and how they contribute to kidney health. But before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Before we dive into the foods, let's first understand what kidney disease is and how it affects our bodies. Kidney disease, also known as renal disease, is a condition where the kidneys lose their ability to function properly. These two bean-shaped organs in our bodies are responsible for filtering out waste and excess fluids from our blood. When they're not working as they should, waste can build up, leading to a host of health issues. The causes of kidney disease are numerous, but the most common are diabetes and high blood pressure. If left unmanaged, these conditions can damage the kidneys over time, resulting in kidney disease. Other causes include inherited diseases like polycystic kidney disease, inflammation, and recurrent kidney infections. The symptoms of kidney disease are often subtle and may not appear until the disease has advanced. These can include fatigue, decreased urine output, swelling of the hands or feet, and shortness of breath, among others. If not treated promptly, kidney disease can lead to serious complications such as kidney failure, cardiovascular disease, and even death. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that diet plays a significant role in managing kidney disease. By limiting certain nutrients like sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, we can support kidney health and prevent further damage. It's important to note here that dietary restrictions vary based on the stage of kidney disease. So consulting a doctor for personalized dietary recommendations is crucial. Moreover, combining a renal diet with a heart-healthy diet can promote overall well-being. This means consuming fresh, plant-based foods and limiting saturated fats. But remember, just as our bodies are unique, so are our dietary needs. What works for one person might not work for another. Now that we understand the impact of kidney disease, let's explore how diet can help manage it. First on our list of kidney-friendly foods is cauliflower. A humble vegetable, cauliflower is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that are beneficial for kidney health. It's rich in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, with the bonus of being low in potassium, making it a perfect choice for those with kidney concerns. Scientific research has shown that the fiber present in cauliflower aids in digestion and helps reduce the amount of waste that kidneys need to filter, thereby reducing their workload. Moreover, the vitamin C in cauliflower acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting the kidneys from harmful free radicals that can cause damage. The folate in cauliflower also plays a significant role in kidney health. It aids in the production of red blood cells, which are crucial for delivering oxygen to the kidneys, ensuring they function optimally. But that's not all. Cauliflower is also a versatile vegetable that can be included in your diet in various ways. You can enjoy it raw, steamed, roasted, or even mashed as a healthier alternative to potatoes. So don't forget to add some cauliflower to your meals for a kidney-healthy diet. Next up, we have blueberries, a powerful fruit for kidney health. These vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which give blueberries their distinctive color and a slew of health benefits. Research shows that these antioxidants can protect your kidneys from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals in your body. But the benefits don't stop there. Blueberries are also low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, three minerals that need careful management in those with kidney disease. This makes blueberries an excellent choice for a kidney-friendly diet. Furthermore, blueberries are a good source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which are essential for overall health. Vitamin C is known for its immunity-boosting properties, while fiber aids in digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. So the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, consider reaching for a handful of blueberries. Not only are they delicious, but they also provide numerous health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. Enjoy some fresh blueberries for a tasty and kidney-friendly snack. Moving on to our next kidney-friendly food, let's explore the benefits of sea bass. This low-phosphorus fish is packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids that promote heart health, a crucial factor for those with kidney disease. Next on our list are red grapes. Not only are they delicious, but they also boast a high content of flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. To keep your protein intake in check without overloading your kidneys, consider egg whites. They offer a high-quality protein source that's lower in phosphorus than other protein-rich foods. Garlic and olive oil, on the other hand, are excellent for adding flavor to your dishes without the need for sodium, which can strain your kidneys. Garlic is known for its inflammation-reducing properties, while olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, supports heart health and inflammation reduction. Remember to include these foods in your diet for a kidney-healthy lifestyle. As we've seen, diet plays a significant role in managing and preventing kidney disease. We've explored how the humble cauliflower, rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, can support kidney health. We've uncovered the power of blueberries, with their abundant antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, offering a delicious way to protect your kidneys. We also delved into the benefits of other kidney-friendly foods. From the heart-healthy fats in olive oil to the immune-boosting properties of garlic, each food brings something unique to the table. The key is balance. A diet rich in diverse plant-based foods can support not only your kidneys, but your overall well-being. Of course, each person's dietary needs are unique, especially when it comes to managing kidney disease. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. And remember, it's not just about restriction. It's about finding delicious, nutritious foods that you enjoy and that support your health. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment below. And remember, the journey to better health starts with one small step. Make that step today by incorporating these foods into your diet. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes, watch the video on your screen next. Finally, remember to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. It can be your companion and accountability partner on your journey to better health.